Right. Okay, let us come to our topic, that is time and distance. Let us, what is the basic formula I gave? Distance is equal to speed into time, right? There is, everything will be based on, first of all, make it clear, time and distance, are they direct proportion or indirect proportion? Is it direct or indirect? Direct. If time increases, distance. That's what. So what? If speed is constant. Time increases. Distance also increases. Okay. More distance, more time or less time? So obviously it is a direct proportion. So time and distance both are direct proportion. Then speed and time are inversely proportion. That is, if there is a multiplication sign between two variables, then it is inverse proportion. If there is equal sign between them, then there is a direct proportion. Distance and speed are direct. Distance and time are time and distance. Equal sign, if equal sign is there in between any variables, then it is direct proportion, right? And if there is multiplication sign in between them, then they are indirect proportion. That is, so make it clear, that is basics, that one. Now distance is equal to speed into time, then speed is equal to distance by time. No need to write that one. Time is also distance by speed. So no need to worry about how the formula. Always you keep this one in mind. Distance is equal to speed and there is into time, right? And what is that conversion? I said there is 1 kilometer per hour is how much? It is 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. No need to derive that one. Just have a look at that one. There is 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. Then 1 meter per second is what? 18.5. So don't write that one. Only write this one only. Right? If you know this one, you can easily get that one. No problem. Okay. Now let us go with the basic questions on that one. Take the one. Yeah. Right. A train covers 450 kilometers distance, 450 kilometers in 5 hours. 5 hours. Find its speed in meter per second. Find its speed in meter per second. Find its speed in meter per second. Just make use of the formula to get the answer. It should be how much? 25 meter per second, right? 450 kilometers 5 hours. 450 kilometers 5 hours means definitely, right? 450 kilometers 5 hours. So what is the speed of the that is train means the distance by speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time, that is this is 450 kilometers and 5 hours, right? So 4 by 5 is 90 kilometer per hour. But we need that one in meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour is how much? 5 by 18. Just 90 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So how much it comes around? That is, so 18 ones, 18 fives. So it is 25 meter per second. Okay, then let us take another one. A man covers covers a distance of 600 meters, in 5 minutes, a distance of 600 meters in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? What is his speed in kilometer per hour? Yeah. 7.2 kilometer per hour. Okay. That is, distance given is now 600 meters and the time is how many minutes? 5 minutes. See, generally distance it is generally given in kilometers or meters, and time is given in seconds, minutes or hours. Speed is generally given in meter per second or kilometer per hour, right? So for time there is 3 parameters: seconds, minutes and hours. You have to convert that one into a normal case and get the answers. So whichever is suitable, you can do that one and get the answer. Now time is 5 minutes given here, 600 meters. So what we can say here, definitely how you have done this one, speed is what? Distance by time, again that is 600 meters in 5 minutes means 5 into, can I write this one as 60 seconds, right? So 600 meters, 5 into 60 seconds, so 6 tens, that is it is 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, but we need that one in kilometer per hour. Yes, so that is 2 into 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18, but 1 meter per second is 18 by 5. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 36 by 5, so it is 7.2 kilometer per hour. That's it. Okay. Well, these are general basics to find the speed. Now, let us take another one also. Right. A bus covers a certain distance at 50 kilometer per hour, 50 50 kilometer per hour speed, certain distance at 50 kilometer per hour speed, full stop. Right. If the time taken to travel is 20 minutes, find the distance, total distance it traveled. Find the total distance it traveled. Instead of 20 minutes, you put it as 50 kilometer per minute. Okay, so put it as 15 minutes. Instead of 20, put it as 15, 15. Yes, it is 12.5. 12.5. So, what is 12.5 kilometers? Right? Here, this is 50 kilometer per hour. The time is 15 minutes. How to change that one into? Here, we need to find out the distance. Distance equals speed into time. Speed is in kilometer per hour, but this is in 15 minutes. How to convert 15 minutes into hours? 15 by 60 hours. 15 by 60 hours. So it is 1/4 hour. Is it not 1/4 hour? Right. So that is speed is 50 and this is also hours, means 15 by 60, which is nothing but 50 by 4. That is 12.5 kilometers. What is that one? Distance. Basic. So understood the general formula, right? Just based on formula we can get the answers, but let us try now the next level of the question, right? A car covers certain distance. A car covers certain distance at a speed of 80 kilometer per hour. 80 kilometer per hour, and reaches its destination in 6 hours. In 6 hours. Yes, sir. In 6 hours. In order to cover the same distance, at a speed of 120 kilometer per hour, in how much time will it reach its destination? In how much time will it reach its destination? Right? How it is? So distance is how much? 480. Distance is definitely, in order to cover the same distance, means initially it is going at 80 km per hour, time period is 6 hours. What should the distance? So the distance is, it is speed into time, 8 into 6, that is 480 kilometers. Now find for, since the same distance it is covering now at a speed of what? 120 km per hour, what should be the time period that is? Just find out. Right? That's it. So here, time means what? Time means distance by speed. Distance by speed means how much distance? 480. So 480 by speed, that is 120. So it comes around 4 hours. Okay. So is it cover the same distance or different distance? Same distance. So if same distance is there, what is actually D1 is equal to, I can say it is S1 into T1. But even here, the same distance D2 is also equal to S2 into T2. Are they not equal? That is distance, both the distances are equal. So since D1 is equal to D2, can't I say that is S1 T1 is equal to S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. So no need to worry about how much distance it is. Directly you can say, now we can direct with if they are equal distance, S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2, directly we can use without finding the distance. If they are same distance, right? If they are same distance, D1 is equal to D2, if the distance are same, then definitely without finding the distance, how much is the distance here? 480 kilometers. So no need to find out that one. Directly you can say S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Now here in this information, no need to worry about